Hello, boys and girls. We're going to review our 2 letters we learned this week. I'm going to post a couple of videos for you to watch, some little songs on YouTube for you all to watch to go back over them. And I'm going to kind of explain the directions on this page, and then you're going to do most of it on your own. But I just want to go through the directions so you know for sure what color to use and things like that. The first thing you're going to do is put your name on the top. And then let's talk for just a minute about the 2 letters we learned this week. We learned this letter. We talked about it just yesterday. What letter is this? This is V, and V says V. V says V. Say that with me. V says V. V says V. Good job. What color word is this beside V? Green. So you're going to circle all the V's with a green crayon. What letter is this? This is the letter Y, and Y says Y. Y says Y. What color word is this beside Y? Purple. You're going to circle all the Y's with purple. All right? So you're going to get a green, and you're going to look for all the upper and lowercase V's. I'll do a couple just to show you, and you're going to circle them when you find one. And then you're going to do the same thing with your purple for the Y's. Anywhere you see an upper or lowercase Y, you're going to circle it with purple. Now there's more than that. I just did a couple to show you. Then you're going to come to the bottom and you're going to practice some V's. Remember, uppercase V is slant, big slant down, big slant up. Lowercase v is slant down, slant up. We're just going to kind of make a little pattern. Big slant down, big slant up, slant down, slant up. So you're going to fill that row up with some V's. And then you're going to come down and do the other row with some Y's. You're going to slant to the middle, slant to the top, line to the bottom. Slant down, and let it dangle. Slant to the middle, slant to the top, line to the bottom, slant down, and let it dangle. Okay? So you're going to fill that row up with upper and lowercase Y's. If you want an extra challenge, you can turn on the back and draw me something that starts with a V and draw me something that starts with a Y. Okay? I'll be looking to see who took me up on my challenge. Make sure you check out the videos I post for these letters too.